Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to repair your Moza HGP when it's misshifting. So it starts to misshifting when I'm in fifth gear and I downshift to the fourth gear. So it's misshifting in sixth gear. So like this, you see, I'm in 6 and it's in 4 and 4 and 2, and sometimes it's all not in the good one. And the worst thing, and when you're 5 and you downshift in 4, but it's stuck, yeah, like this. So you downshift in 4, but it's stuck in the 3rd. So when you drive like real wheel drive, and so yeah, I'm gonna show you how to clean it, and I cross finger it's gonna repair yours too. So first of all, we have a height bolt under the case. So you take the rods out. It's 2.5. So you take the 4 on the side, not those in the center. Okay, so the case is like this. I never open it, so I learn at the same time of you guys. So you need to slide the case on the back, so you release the transit and the USB plug. Oh, wait. This thing. Because it's all sensor, and it's probably just some dust, because when you look at it, it's super good seal. But at the same time, you have an hole at the bottom of the transit. So when I'm gonna put the part together, I'm gonna put a piece of tape there, because you can see it's clearly past. Okay, so you have a tie wrap there. Like this. Okay. You have a tie wrap there. So maybe we can just slide it. Or it's passed through the hole. And I don't want to dismantle all this. So yeah, we're gonna do it like this. Because the tie wrap, it's like directly all of the shaft, and I don't want to struggle with that. So you take air compressor or some dust spray can for PC. Sensor are there, one there, so well, I think the other it's under there, so I'm just gonna push some air. Sorry for the compressor. I shoot, I spray the air directly on the sensor at the bottom. I want to hurt the PCB the other side. Okay, so I shoot directly there on the sensor. Directly there too, in the hole, and I shoot on the PCB and all the plugs. Oh, sorry, I was not in front. So I shoot there in the hole. There, I shoot almost everywhere, just to be sure. Sorry for the compressor, guys. I'm gonna cut it at the. So yeah, when you want to reassemble it, you just put it like this, and like this, and after this, you realign. Sorry. So it's difficult to stay center, especially when you hold your thing and it's not stable on something. Okay. Because you still have the shaft there, so I need, well, so it's reassemble, and like I said, you're gonna put a little piece of electric tape, like this, because like I said, you have a hole right there, and it's kind of big. So we don't want to wash this thing every 2 months. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna test it and see if it's still misshifting, and yeah, to reassemble the top part, just screw it back. Screw your knob. That's it. So we're gonna test it on the rig. Conclude the video. So we are at the final test. So you see there the gear and the shifter. So it was misshifting between the 6 and the 4, and after this between the 5 and the 3rd and the 1st, and the don't even stay in neutral, was in gear, was completely broken. So it was just to push some air with a compressor, or if you guys don't have access to a compressor, with an air can for cleaning PCs. So we're gonna test it. First gear, second gear, and we have to look if it's gone to neutral and in the right gear after, not stuck in one, because it was stuck in the 3rd gear for me. So when you're in 5 and you want to downshift in 4, it's passed by the 3rd, like 5, 3rd, 4. It's not good. So first, neutral 2nd, neutral 3rd, neutral 4, neutral 5, neutral 6, push 7, rear, and each time I was plugging it, the first time, it didn't work. I have to, at the first, like I said, I have to, like, for calibrating, but not push the button, just doing this, and it was work, till I disconnect. And when I reconnect it, I mean, when I put my rig off, and when I put my rig on, I need to make this again, and lately, and it was like this, like this, like this. It was an horror story. Always stuck in 3rd, like, oh wow, it's like new. So that's a pretty nice fix, guys. Your shifter, it's not broken at all. You don't need to send it back to China. I'm gonna put Moza Racing, a link to them and maybe they're gonna add this workaround, because you just send your shifter back and they pay you back to send it, and I don't know what they do there, but well, I don't like to waste my time, especially when I know it's gonna make the same sometimes with the new one, or the one they send me back and wash it, or whatever it is. So yeah, I wish you guys like it, and I'm proud to help you, and that your shifter it's not broken, because I bought a Fanatic already and I tried to fix it, and did it work, and well, yeah. So I like this shifter, I like the feeling, and it was cheap. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. It's worked like a new one. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to help the channel. And that's pretty much it. Have a nice one, guys. Peace.